I don't know what they see in fair guys. I don't know whether somebody that is fair is more richer than somebody that is dark. There's this word they normally say. They will say "me pe koko," "me pe koko." So it means they like fair guys than the dark guys. So I don't know what they see in fair guys. Even though the fair guy don't have money, they like them. The Ghanaian entertainment or the musicians, we have wonderful artists. We have Stoneboy, we have Sarkodie, we have R2Bs, we have Shatawale, we have what's his name, Bisakade. I mean, we have wonderful artists. And the only thing about Ghanaian artists in Nigeria, Ghanaian artists, they don't take the music, they don't take it serious in terms of business. They don't see it as a business, they see it as a talent. But in Nigeria entertainment, whenever you are doing, if you are a musician, you invest in that music, you put in money, your finance, everything, you put it into your music, because talent is not enough. You can be a good singer, you have good voice, but once you put in money, you promote your songs, your song will go far.
The name is Rafat GH. If this is your first time seeing this annoying face, just hit on the subscribe button to be part of this awesome family as I bring you another banger video today. Today I'm here with this young man from Nigeria who has been living in Ghana, and he's going to share his experience living in Ghana. My name is Rafat GH, bro. Tell me yourself and what you do.
My name is Daniel, but in Ghana here, they call me Oga Boakye. So I've been in Ghana here for so many years, let's say 17 years now. And I've been living here with my uncle. When I came, I stayed with him for some years before I had to leave and start my own life.
So what motivates you to move from Nigeria to Ghana when there are other countries?
What motivated me, I didn't come on my own. I came, my uncle brought me here when I was very young. He said he wanted me to come and help him in his business, for the business to grow and expand. So he brought me all the way from Nigeria, and I've been with him before I left.
What was your first impression when you get to Ghana?
My first impression was the light. You know, in Nigeria we don't have stable light like the way Ghana have. So I think the light was the first impression, because when I was in Nigeria they were telling me that in Ghana they don't take light. So I said, okay, when I come I will experience it, I will see whether it's truth or not. So that was my first impression.
When you've come, have you gotten any torture that has anyone harmed you?
No, nobody has harmed me. I mean, Ghana is a peaceful country, it's a wonderful country. I mean, I've not experienced any trouble from anybody. It is a good country.
And have you tried Ghana food?
Oh yes, I enjoy banku and tilapia, kokonte and groundnut soup, and especially my favorite food, the wachi. Yes, I love wachi.
Okay. Have you tried Ghana jollof?
Yes, I've tried Ghana jollof.
So now he is here to finalize the debate between Ghana jollof and Nigeria jollof. So when you try it, you want us to give us an accurate answer. You have tasted Nigeria jollof, you have tasted Ghana jollof. So which one is?
I've tasted Ghana jollof. Ghana jollof is nice, but Nigerian jollof is delicious. So Nigerian jollof is more delicious than Ghana jollof. Yes.
Okay. Guys, do you agree? Let me know in the comment section. For me, I haven't yet tasted Nigeria jollof, and I wish one day I'll taste it and also finalize everything. But let me know when you've come here, Ghana ladies, how do you see them?
Ghana ladies, they have beautiful ladies in Ghana. I mean, since I came here, they have nice ladies, but majority of them they like money. They like money too much. If you don't have money, you can't date them. So that's what I know about. Not all, some of them they like money, and they like Nigerian guys that are fair. That's what I know about Ghanaian ladies. That's my opinion. Yes.
Is that the reason why I have been seeing that most of the guys from Nigeria come and they are fair? I don't know whether it's because of that Ghana ladies liking fair Nigerian guys. That's why the fair guys are always in Ghana.
I don't know what they see in fair guys. I don't know whether somebody that is fair is more richer than somebody that is dark. There's this word they normally say. They will say "mepe koko," "mepe koko." So it means they like fair guys than the dark guys. So I don't know what they see in fair guys. Even though the fair guy don't have money, they like them.
So how do you see the weather comparing Nigeria to Ghana?
The weather in Nigeria is not harsh like the way Ghana weather is. Ghana weather is very, very harsh, like we are in the northern part of Africa. The sun is too harsh. Even most times when I travel to Nigeria, when I meet my people, they will say, why are you that dark? I told them that, it's because of the sun. The sun is too harsh. That's why sometimes my color used to change. So the weather in Nigeria is more, it's like the way this weather is. That's how Nigerian weather is. When it's 7 a.m. in the morning, you would think we are in 3 a.m. in the morning. So that's how the weather is in Nigeria. So the weather here is more harsh than Nigeria.
So do you think that coming to Ghana here is worthy? Do you think that coming to Ghana here is worthy? What do you say to those Nigerians watching us who are to come to Ghana or who are yearning to come to Ghana?
Like I always tell my friends that Ghana is a second home to me. When I left Nigeria and I came here, there's a whole lot of difference. Ghana is very peaceful. It's a peaceful country. Even though Nigeria is not peaceful like Ghana, Ghana is a peaceful country. You can go out anytime you want. You can come back anytime. But Nigeria is not like that. Nigeria, when you are going out in the morning, if you don't come back very early, you'll be afraid whether armed robber will attack you in the night or maybe any bad thing will happen to you. But when I came to Ghana, I will be outside around 10 or 11. So anybody that asks me, where are you? I said, I'm outside. They say, by this time of the night, I say, Ghana is a peaceful country. We can go out anytime and come back anytime. They say, wow. Then the country is truly peaceful. So I think Ghana is a peaceful country. It's a country that anybody can come. You can come and live. You can come and start life here and enjoy yourself. So I think Ghana is a peaceful country.
So you've been to Ghana for quite a while. So what are some of the places you have been to in Ghana? And what is your impression about it?
I've been to almost all the regions in Ghana. I've been to Kumasi. I've been to Takwa. I've been to what's it called? Cape Coast. I've been to Takoradi. I've been to Wa. I've been to, so many places in Ghana. I've been to so many places, and the place I love more is in Kumasi. Yeah, Kumasi. When I went there, that was 2009, 2019. That time things were very cheap there, better than in Accra, and we have a lot of Nigerians living there. So I was even saying I will relocate from Accra to Kumasi, because that place is a wonderful place. Everything there is cheap, accommodation, business, everything there is wonderful, and I love their culture, especially the Ashantis. The king over there called Nana. I've forgotten the rest.
Otumfuo Osei-Tutu.
Yes, Nana Otumfuo Osei-Tutu. I love that man. He's a wise king. He's a wonderful person. I mean, the way he treats his people, the way he carries them along, is a wonderful person. I love them.
So when you've been to Kumasi and those areas, or how many countries have you ever been to? Or is it Ghana and Nigeria only?
I've been to Togo. I've been to Togo before. So apart from Togo and Ghana, I've stayed in Togo for like a month. So comparing Togo and Ghana, I prefer Ghana than Togo, because Togo they speak more of French, and it's hard for you to relate with them, especially I don't hear their language. So but when I came to Ghana, at least we have people that speak English and the Twi, so it's able to relate with Ghanaians than when I'm in Togo.
So I want to know which language you would like to learn in Ghana?
Oh, I know how to speak Twi. I'm not 100% perfect, but I know how to speak little by little. But the language that I want to learn more is the Ewe's. I want to know how to speak Ewe and how to speak Ga.
So do you have an Ewe lady? You are.
No, I have Ewe friends. But you know, most times when they are speaking the language, their language is sweet. When you hear someone speaking that language, it's sweet in my ears. So I want to learn how to speak it.
So I want to say, do you have any social media handles you want to share out?
Yeah, I'm also a content creator. My social media handles is Neighbors Comedies on Facebook, Neighbors Comedy on TikTok. So those are the two social media handles I have for now.
So are the girls free to DM you?
Oh, any girl can DM me as long as you are beautiful and as long as you have money.
Yeah, boy.
Yes, you can DM me. Yes, I don't need girl that don't have money. So I want a girl that has money. So if you have money, you can DM me.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Yeah. What you've said reminds me of a friend that said you can be rich through two things. It's either marrying a rich person or person from a rich family, or you hustle to make it. As an African, so if you have the opportunity to change one thing in Africa, what will it be?
I will change the currency. I will change it to dollars.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Like how?
I will change the cedis and the naira. I will change it. We will use one currency, dollars. Yes, the ECOWAS system.
So why would you prefer using dollars? Why won't you create your own African own?
Because you know, dollars every day keep increasing. So if we have dollars, you can use it to travel anywhere. If you are going to the States, United States of America, you can go with dollars. Yes, so I believe if I had the opportunity of becoming a president in Africa, or in Ghana, or in Nigeria, I will just change the currency.
Guys, do you agree with this, my friend? what would you like to change if you have given the opportunity as a young African? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video, share it for others to see the experience this guy is sharing. What do you think about the artists, the musicians in Ghana? Who is your favorite musician? And comparing to Nigeria, what is your experience?
If you're a musician, you invest in that music, you put in money, your finance, everything, you put it into your music, because talent is not enough. You can be a good singer, you have good voice, but once you put in money, you promote your songs, your song will go far.
I am the one, the way you can.
But when you don't promote your songs, you expect people to play your song in US or in Canada. You have to promote your song. You give promoters, you pay them for them to promote your song outside. So in Nigeria, they have that business mind of promoting their songs. That's why you see most of their song trend everywhere, all over the world. So that's the difference between Ghanaian music and Ghana music.
And who is your favorite musician in Ghana?
I have a lot of Ghanaian musicians that I love. Number one, I would say Sarkodie, and second, I would say Stonebwoy. Those are my favorite Ghanaian musicians.
If you are Sarkodie or Stonebwoy fan watching, just give a like. And I want to know who is your favorite musicians in Nigeria too?
My favorite musician, I have, there are so many. Burna Boy is my number one. Wizkid, Rema, what's his name? I mentioned Wizkid, right? Davido.
The big guys. I thought you'd have jumped the big guy. Davido.
Yeah, Davido is the 001 in Nigeria, so he can't be left out. And we're talking about Tiwa Savage. We talk about Faust, Fino. There are so many musicians, great musicians we have in Nigeria.
Among these, which I just want to select one that is your favorite.
Yeah, number one is Odogo himself.
Yeah. Who is that though?
Burna Boy is the number one. He's my number one favorite artist. Yes.
Let me know in the comment section who is your favorite artist, man. But I want to say thank you for having time with me. Until we see again. Thanks, bro.
All right.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
All right.
Okay.